All right, guys, welcome to your universal tutor. So today, guys, as you can see the image on the screen, we're looking at microscopes. So we'll look at microscopes in different past papers. This is biology. Okay, guys, so we're going to read the question and we'll try to answer different kind of past papers. So this is biology 2024. The question reads: the diagram shows a light microscope. Which labeled parts support the object lens? So they're talking about the what? The lens. Okay, they're talking about the what? The lens. So which labeled parts support the objective lens? Okay, it's a eye tube. Okay, this one here, which is A. So our correct answer here, guys, it is what? It is A. Okay, the eye tube, not B. No, the answer here, it is what? It is A. Okay, guys, the eye tube. They have said which labeled part supports the objective lens, the objective lenses. Okay, guys, so here the answer is what? It's A. Okay, so we can say body tube here, this one here, which is A. That's our answer here, guys. So we'll go to another past paper again. We'll look at microscope again. All right, guys, so now this is 2023 past paper biology. We're looking at the microscope. As I said, we're passing through microscopes, different microscopes that they are bringing. So here the question is, the diagram shows a compound microscope. Which labeled part is adjusted in order to get a clear image of the specimen? Okay, so it is the fine adjacent knob. Okay, fine adjacent knob. The answer here is what? B. Okay, guys, fine adjacent knob. Okay, guys, the answer is B. They say, let's read the question again. The diagram shows a compound microscope. Which labeled part is adjusted in order to get a clear image of the specimen? So the adjusted knob is used to bring focus on an object, okay, and to bring the clear image of an object. So here the answer is a fine adjacent knob. Hello guys, again we're still together, the universal tutor. So guys, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss these videos. So we're still in biology, looking at the microscope. So here it is 2021 past paper. So here I'll read the question, then we'll answer it together. The diagram below shows a compound light microscope. Which of the labeled parts holds and turns the objective lenses into position? Objective lenses into position. The answer here again is what? It is B. So this is the revolving tube. It's the one that puts the lenses in position. Okay, guys, it's a revolving tube. The answer is what? A. We read the question again. Which of the labeled parts holds and turns the objective lenses into position? The answer is B. Revolving what? Tube, guys. Okay, guys, so here we're looking at again. This is a 2022 past paper. So we're going to read it through together and we're going to answer the question together. So guys, this is the last one. This is the last one that we're looking. This is 2022 biology past paper. So the diagram shows a light microscope. The question reads, which of the labeled parts moves the object lenses quickly up and down and bring into focus the image under the low power magnification? So here it's there. So here the answer is A, close objective knob. Okay, close objective knob is the one that can move these lenses down, up. Okay, guys, so the answer here is what? A. Okay, guys, make sure, guys, you comment in the video the topics that you want us to look at in biology, any topics that you want to look at, and any topic that you want to see, any topic that you're facing problems that you would want to see the information that you want. You can comment under the comment section, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe like my videos. As you're liking my videos, you are helping my videos to be promoted to reach to other students so that they can also benefit. So we're looking different kind of what microscopes. So we look at in the exams, like they like bringing microscopes. Okay, so we look at almost like about four past papers of different years, and we found microscopes there. So guys, thank you for watching. God bless you.